How divorce support and personal growth go hand in hand after separation. Discover practical divorce advice and support to help you grow and heal after divorce. Find hope through counseling, groups, and resources. Growing through divorce. Finding strength and support after the split. Hey, I wanted to chat with you about something a lot of people go through but don't always talk about openly. Divorce. It's one of those messy, painful life changes that can leave you feeling all kinds of lost and broken. But here's the thing. It can also be the start of something new and powerful in your life. I mean, after all, personal growth often comes after some kind of hardship, right? And in this episode, let's explore how you can find hope, healing, and strength after divorce. First off, when you're in the thick of a divorce, emotions run wild. There's grief, anger, confusion, and often self-doubt. That's why divorce counseling and divorce support groups can be absolute lifesavers. These aren't just about talking through your feelings, though that's important. They're about finding a community and tools that help you put the pieces back together. It's really a journey from brokenness to new beginnings, and having the right support makes that path a lot clearer and less lonely. Let me tell you about this fantastic resource I came across. There's a book called Brokenness and New Beginnings. It's more than a book. It's like a companion for anyone facing the chaos of divorce. It gently guides you through acknowledging the brokenness you feel while laying down a roadmap to healing and personal growth. If you're in that place right now, or even if you're just trying to understand the whole process better, I'd highly recommend giving it a read. Order your copy today to find hope and healing. Now, on a practical note, a lot of people wonder what comes next after the emotional roller coaster settles a bit. You might want some solid divorce advice and divorce assistance to handle the financial, legal, or parenting challenges. And yes, those things matter. But the real breakthrough comes when you start focusing on your own growth, rebuilding confidence, discovering what makes you happy, and learning to embrace your new identity outside of the marriage. Here's a few thoughts on how to boost that personal growth. Connect with others. Joining a reliable divorce support group can be life-changing. It helps you realize you're not alone in your experience. Seek professional help. Whether it's a therapist or counselor, specialized divorce counseling focuses on healing from relationship loss and moving forward stronger. Set new goals. Post-divorce is a great time to rediscover passions and interests that might have gone on hold. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself during this process. Growth takes time and effort, and you're worth it. And if you're worried about how to find these resources or where to start, that's totally normal. There's plenty of great online divorce resources available to point you in the right direction, from legal help to emotional support. Just taking that first step, reaching out or picking up a helpful book, can make a huge difference. So whatever stage you're at, remember that divorce is not just an ending, but it can also be a fresh start. It's about embracing the brokenness and allowing yourself to grow into new beginnings, stronger and more self-aware than before. And like I said, if you want a compassionate and insightful guide to walk you through that, check out Brokenness and New Beginnings. It might just be exactly the kind of divorce help you need right now. Thanks for hanging with me today. Remember, healing isn't linear, and it's okay to take it one moment at a time. You've got this.